Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding which lock method suits you, because the how depends on your OS and threat model. If you want simple privacy, built-in encryption or a compressed password archive works. If you need robust protection, choose reputable third-party tools. Once decided, make sure you have administrator rights and back up the folder. Corruption risks exist. Also, prepare a strong password phrase you can remember. Next, I'll show the specific steps for Windows and alternative options, so follow along. Now you create an encrypted container because it isolates the folder with a virtual drive, and that's why it's safer than simple zips. Open Vera Crypt or BitLocker, create a new volume, choose standard container, set size large enough for your data, and select AES or XDS depending on your preference. After formatting, mount the container as a virtual drive, then copy the folder into it. Once done, dismount the volume so the folder is inaccessible until you mount with the password. Finish by dismounting the encrypted volume and rebooting to verify the folder is locked, because real-world testing prevents surprises. Make sure you store the recovery key outside your PC, cloud, or USB, so you can recover data if you forget the password. If you prefer simpler steps, a passworded 7-zip archive works for single folder locks. If something goes wrong, check permissions, confirm the password or key file, and run disk error checks. Those steps solve most mount and access failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.